In this video, I'm going to show you how to create vertical text in Gimp step by step, even if you've never used this feature before. Vertical text is great for poster designs, banners, social media graphics, labels, and any project where you want your text to stand out in a more creative way. And the best part is, Gimp gives you a simple built-in option for doing this without needing any extra plugins. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Gimp tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Gimp and make sure you have your project ready on the canvas. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the toolbox on the left side of the screen. You need to select the Text tool. You can do that by clicking the icon with the capital T, or if you want a quicker way, just press the T key on your keyboard. This will activate the Text tool so you can start adding text to your design. Now move your mouse over to the area of the canvas where you want the text to appear. Click and drag to create a text box. This is important because the text box gives you control over where your text is placed and how it behaves on the canvas. After you've created the box, just type the text you want to use. You can type a single word, a brand name, a title, or even a full phrase, depending on your design. Once your text is visible, the next step is where the vertical effect happens. Right-click directly inside the text box on the canvas. A pop-up menu will appear with different options for your text. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that menu because that's where the vertical orientation settings are located. From there, you'll see the options for vertical text direction. You can choose vertical right to left or vertical left to right, depending on how you want the characters to flow in your design. Gimp also gives you two style choices for each direction, mixed or upright. If you choose mixed, the text can keep some character shapes in a more natural mixed layout. If you choose upright, the characters stay straight and stacked vertically, which is often cleaner for logos, headings, and modern graphic layouts. So if you want a more classic vertical title, try vertical right to left upright or vertical left to right upright. If you want a slightly more stylized or flexible look, choose one of the mixed options instead. You may want to test both versions depending on your design, so you can see which one looks better. The nice thing is that Gimp makes it easy to switch and preview the result. After selecting your preferred vertical orientation, your text will instantly change direction on the canvas. From here, you can still edit the font, size, color, spacing, and placement just like normal. That means you can fine-tune the design until it matches the exact look you're going for. If needed, you can also move the text layer around using the Move tool so it sits perfectly in your composition. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can create vertical text in Gimp and use it to make your designs look more unique and professional. This is one of those small tricks that can make a big difference in posters, thumbnails, flyers, and graphic layouts. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick Gimp tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.